Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Companies stay private much longer than they used to. Previously, companies ran an initial public offering to gain access to the public markets for financing. Companies delay their IPOs for any of the following reasons. Avoid the cost of going public, which is fairly high given the regulatory requirements. Maintain a level of privacy over their operations and financials by remaining private. Continue to operate the business as usual with their own board of directors rather than gaining public scrutiny that comes with a public company. Avoid the roller coaster ride of sentiment in the public markets. The private markets today provide sufficient capital to pre-IPO companies, so the need for capital no longer drives companies to go public. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.